Journee and Ivy, Educational Kidtainment.
Hi, Mom.
Okay, guys, you remember this weekend? What did we celebrate this weekend?
My birthday.
We celebrated Ivy's birthday. Ivy, how old are you?
2.
Ah, 2. Happy birthday to you. Ivy, did you have fun at your birthday party?
I did because my favorite part was like maracas and the cake.
And the cake? And the maracas? You want to show the vlog what we did?
Yes.
Yes, let's show the vlog what we did. So what do we need to make maracas?
We need shiny tape.
See
And
that color?
blue.
We have a blue color. We need some
Blue.
tape. And we need an egg, right? An Easter egg. And then we need some spoons. Spoons. And what else? What's the last thing we need?
Beans.
Some beans. Yes. So what do we do first, Journee?
Pick the beans in the egg.
That's right. So let's see if you do that. Put it in there.
You'll make a mess.
Try not to. All right,
Yeah.
close them. Make sure they're closed tightly. Now let's see you shake them. No, yours is tight, Journee. Ivy, see, yours wasn't tight.
I know.
Oh no, try again. All right, let me see you shake your maracas. Is that it? Are you finished? No, what else do you have to do?
Tape.
Pick up your tape
You got it.
and pick up your spoons.
You got
And
it.
you're gonna put them together. Okay, you need an adult to help you get started, but you start wrapping it from the top like that. Good, wrap it up. Wrap it, Ivy. Now you open it and push the egg inside of it. Hold on, Ivy. I'm coming with you. There you go, and then we'll continue wrapping. Keep wrapping it. It's okay. Keep wrapping. Keep wrapping, Ivy.
Bye.
There she is.
Whose birthday is it?
Happy birthday, Ivy.
I get to.
Hey, girl.
Hey, girl.
Okay, it's crazy. You wanna go upstairs?
Who's that? Who is that? Minnie Mouse? Yeah. It's your birthday. Look, Ivy. Look at your gifts. Ooh, baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Encanto.
Give it a little bit more. Yeah.
Can I have one?
Yep, you shake it. Don't open it.
You got it, or you need help?
Yeah, don't open it.
Good job, Journee.
Shake your maraca for me. See?
Uh-oh.
You can dance, Maya. Go. Whoa. Isabella and Lisa. Yeah, I mean.
Just keep walking around.
Go, girl.
Yay! Hit it, Ivy. All right. She's gonna hit it. Spin her around. One. No, wait. You gotta spin around. 1, 2, 3. All right. Whoop, whoop. Turn. I know you can't see. You gotta keep the mask on. That's the point. Here, we'll give you some direction. You feel it? There. Get it, girl. Look at it. Look at that tree. Pull your mask up, Journey. Pull your mask up so you can see. Pull your mask up. There you go. There you go. 1, 2, 3. All right. Who's next? Who's next? 1, 2, 3. Go for it. Hit it. Get it. Get it, Victoria. 1. Oh, whack it. Whack it. All right. Next up. Okay, go some 1, 2, 3. Oh Lord! Get it! Oh! 2. 1 more. 3. Okay, next try. 1. Oh, almost. 1, 2, 3. Go. There it is. Get it. Try again. Get closer. Get closer. There you go. 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 Uh-oh. Too close. There it is. There it is. There it is. There you go. There you go. Uh-oh. Do it one more time. All right. Next up. Good try. Spin around. 1. That's the bottom. That's the bottom. You holding the bottom? Yeah. Hold the top. Go. Woo! There you go. 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 All right. Your turn's over, Trinity. You try. What is that made of? That's not regular papier-mâché. 1, 2, 3. All right, Caleb. Come on, give it some more. Go. Sweet. Sweet. No. There you go. Pop it. Watch out, Caleb. Stop, stop, stop. Shake it out.
Look at Ab. Ab is like, what are they wearing?
I got you.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.